But this country is deeply fucked. Deeply. Like, we're celebrating the day that we all got ungaslit. Like, what? Like, yo, I'm sorry about gaslighting you for that long, but here's a holiday. But like in 2023, was it? They said it like how long? It was not that long ago.
2022.
2022.
2022.
That's crazy. Yeah. What happened in 2022?
Joe Biden signed it into law.
And I did it.
But that's why celebrating is so important. Next month I'm doing another event on the 19th. We're gonna call it July 19th. Just to get the taste out of our mouths for this. So long, we can't feel the weight anymore. But where is our joy? Things don't feel the same anymore. Playing the game we can't forfeit. This pain is our portion. Desperate devotion, we're locked in and loaded. The bills keep piling up, but we've been through it all. You think you're not enough, so I try to prove you wrong. Ooh. If love was blind us, then it wasn't true at all. The patient kind of trust against the wall. If I lay down my arms, would you still say we're one? But we've been through it all. You think you're not enough, so I try to prove you wrong. If love is blinding us, then